name is Bettina Heinzelschmidt. I'm project manager of Bavaria International, helps and supports Bavarian companies with the internationalization. Bavaria is a state in Germany, and it is located right in the south of Germany, in the heart of Europe. And we're helping Bavarian companies with various measures like trade fair participations, business trips and delegation visits. And this is the second time we are joining Smart Factory and Automation World. There are 6 companies exhibiting at our booth. These are the companies Stöger Automation, Weber Schraubautomaten, Maincore Rohrsysteme, Sensor Drive, Heimer and ETA. If you want to establish contact with Bavarian companies and get to know new Bavarian companies, you can have a look at our database, which is www.keytobavaria.com.